Welcome back to my channel, yeah. Mel's Beauty. I'm Mel. I miss y'all, and you know it's my favorite time of the month when I see boxes in my mailbox. Boxes in my mailbox. Get. What? Yes, it's that favorite time of the month. Subscription unboxing, which I'm so excited because this baby is thick. Boxycharm. Oh. If you don't already know about Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a makeup subscription box that you can pay monthly for, which is $21 a month, and you also have different plans: 3 months, 6 months, and what I pay is a year. So, are y'all ready to get into this box? This box is thick. It don't even look like it was supposed to close all the way thanks to the sticker. But I'm ready to get in this box. I'm so excited. It's my birthday month, so July boxes better be popping. You know, it's my birthday month. Leo season coming through. What? So let's go ahead and open this sucker. And let me tell you something. I am loving Boxycharm. If you have been keeping up, we have been tallying. What is tallying? Well, counting up how much everything costs. So let's open the haul. And this month theme is July road trip. You know what? That don't sound too bad. It really don't. So let's see the first thing I can pull out of this baby. It is a One.Only.MelBeauty. I think this is listed. I really do. Let me zoom in. Do y'all see it? Comes a cute little No, it's mascara. Oh, I feel so stupid. And then I can't even use it. I just cleaned my face, y'all. Do y'all see this glow? That glow conic by Ipsy Beauty, what my hair did. What? But it says volumizer and curler. I need that in my life because I got some straight eyelashes, bro. Oh my goodness. Someone tell me in the comments what you do for your eyebrows. I said eyebrows. Your eyelashes that just go straight, don't want to curl. Can you perm them? You know what? That's a good question. Can you perm eyelashes? I don't want to do them. Find someone else to do them. But let me stop rambling. So this is a One.Only.MelBeauty mascara. Unleashed it. They look really cute. It look like my Milk Cosmetic. Oh no, it look way different. Do you see that one? What cheap. I can't wait to use this. Oh, I'm so mad I cleaned my face. I'm trying to be cute, do a nighttime unboxing. Let's pull up the calculator. Let's pull up because we gotta know. So let's see. This one costs, whoa, she cost some money. She costs $24. $24. Very interesting. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. This is a pharmacy brightening on vitamin C mask. I'm sorry, I got quiet real quick. It is pharmacy brightening on massage activated vitamin C mask. That is going to be really interesting. You know, I just used the Dr. Brent vacuum pourer, so I'm going to have to wait a couple of days before I use this. This should be an interesting mask. And it says with vitamin C clay mask. So it's a clay mask, because that's not what it says in the front. but it's a clay mask, a vitamin C clay mask that instantly brightens and helps detox skin, remove buildup, impurities, and visually improve the appearance of skin texture and tone. I'm gonna have to try this out. Because if you say all that, these dark marks will be gone in a month. I'm playing, y'all. Let me stop. Ain't nothing gonna be gone in a month. So this baby will cost you $38. That's actually not too bad, especially what money I had spent on skincare products myself. I have a drawer full, so we're not gonna go there. So the next thing I pull up is called Note. I have never heard anything called Note. So let me zoom in so you can see. It's in this little black box. What is this? Oh, it is Illuminated Silk Compact Blusher. And yes, it's a compact blusher. That is a new name. Oh, it don't want to open. Ooh, it's in Desert Rose. I hope it's really cute. I hope that's a really cute blush color. And even have it on here, Note. So let's pop this baby open. I think I have a color that, you know what, I do. One of my Tarte colors. Yes, it almost looked like my Tarte, which is a different brand, of course. It almost looked like my Tarte, but I don't know. Let's swatch it. Let's swatch. Let's do a little swatchy swatch. Ooh, that is so. I hate that I had to do that, but ooh, it looks orange. When I think of desert sand, I think like of a dark rosy color. So that's Note. And let me swatch the Tarte one. It's gonna be right next to it. Oh my goodness, it's like identical. I feel like the Tarte is a little bit more pink, and that's festive. I have another Tarte color. Maybe that's it. I don't know. Okay, so that's the first Tarte color I told you. This is more pinkish. This one is way more pinkish, and this is Party. But the one I said look more like it is Fetishes. But on the camera it looks way different. On camera it look way pink than what it does. But it almost looks like a dupe. It's almost a dupe. Almost a dupe. Almost. Let me get a wipe. Wipe my hands. And that blush is $11.99. That's actually not too shabby. $11.99. Not too bad. I ain't mad at her. Oh. So next thing, what I pulled off at the top. I don't know why they keep on trying to give me tape. Tape is not my color. This says Tinting Brow Cream. This is by Shirley, whatever. But boo, you ain't my color. I am not taped anything. Oh, I got it backwards. So it looks like it's an eyebrow tint. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be able to use it. Why? Because it's not my color. I am not taped anything. Oh, and it's cute. It comes with a little brush, a brushy brush. It's so soft. It's a soft brush. I'm a little disappointed that I can't use it. Hold on. How do you use this? Oh, it comes through the brush. Well, shut the front door. It comes through the brush, y'all. I think so. Oh, no, it don't. So I'm confused. Oh, it's in the top. I'm like, hold on, how you take it off? It's in the top. I know y'all can't really see it. It's in the top, but I'm not gonna swatch it because it's not my color. I'm not taped. Tape it, you know what? Just for the heck of it, let me just swatch it for y'all. Let me show you how much is not my color. Okay, I can't see it. Is that it? Okay. See, that is not my color. It's gonna make me look real ashy. Real ashy. It's pretty, don't get me wrong, but I can't do this color. I can't do tape. This is like the second tape thing they have sent me, and I'm like, Boxycharm, no boo, I can't. Wow, this is like the second thing I actually do not like. And before I forget, how much is that? Is $26. I would love to figure out if she worth the $26. Like, are you really worth this $26? I don't know. I won't know because she take. So the next thing I see, which is a palette. She's a palette. As soon as I figure out how to take her out of this, and she's a crown palette too. She's a crown palette. Let's see her. Come out, boo. Crowned palette, Crown Pro. Ow. I just got my nail, my skin, my bed of my skin. I can't get it out. Okay, the box gonna have to go. Oh, never mind. She gonna be nice. Ooh, she coming this nice. Yee! I love they palettes. Oh, and she magnetized. Y'all see that little hint of, it look like, yeah, it's gold. Gold to bronze. Let's go ahead, open her. She come with a mirror. Ooh, do you see these colors? Ooh, do you see these colors? Ooh, do you see these colors? I'm about to have fun with her. Oh my goodness, I just gotta swatch this one in the middle. You know, this one right here, cause she looked like a rose gold to me. Let's just see how rose goldy she is. Let me see. Found room on my hand. Oh yes, and it's very, very creamy. Oh, do you see that? That shift. Oh yeah. I can't wait to play in this one. I can't wait. That was such a pretty color. I got so many eye looks I can do with this. Ooh wee. Oh yes. How much is that one? That is $29.99. Not too shabby. I will buy her. I will buy her. 29. I said 29, right? $29.99. It's funny. Two palettes, two things in here cost 99 cents at the end. So our grand total for July's box is $129.98, which the box have already paid me back. If you've been following this, been following our Boxycharm journey, Boxycharm paid me back in the first two boxes my full year subscription, and it go way past your month, your 3 months, your 6 months. When I say this is my favorite subscription, one of my favorite makeup subscription box, I am not for play. It's not for play. I love Boxycharm, and I can't wait until the new upgrades kick in, because I'm getting her. I'm getting her. I'm getting the upgrade. Why would I not? I love Boxycharm. The only thing I didn't like that came out of this box this time is another eyebrow tint. What I'm gonna do with this? Not my color. Not my color. I am not taped anything. I can't do it. Even though I have an X Cosmetics that's taped, but it look more brown than taped, so I don't understand that. And it gonna make me look so ashy out, so I can't use this. But that is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that little notification bell so you know when I post another video. And while you're at it, go ahead, watch the next video. You know, hit my face, subscribe right here. You don't even have to hit the subscribe button. Hit my face, that's right here. Watch the video right here. But while you here, hit that subscription box. You don't know what goodies I have down there for y'all. If you don't look, I got some else goodies down there. It's goody believable. Booyah. So bye, beauties.